Hey guys, today we are going to see how the servo motor can be configured and connected through Arduino microcontroller, and how we can program it so that we can move the servo motor the way that we want. The one property that you need to understand, the servo motor, you can move the motor from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. Okay, so that is the special property of the servo motor. So let's see how it works here. So you can go to circuits.io, you can get these components, right? You know how to do that. You have to click components, you're going to search for Arduino, then pull it there. Same thing for the servo motor, you're going to find servo motor in the components, okay? I'm just using the breadboard here because the connection is very simple here. I don't need a breadboard, but I'm just using it for a best practice, so that if you need to extend the circuit, to add more, so you have the breadboard available. And also, if you see from the Arduino, I'm using the ground and the power, so I connected to the ground and power line, so that's available to the entire line here. The servo motor, you have three pins. If you go here, you can see one is power, the other one is ground, the third one is signal. So very simple, right? So it has three pins. One is power, one is ground, the other one is signal. In this case, the connection that I'm using, the signal, I use the digital IO pin number 9 here. See it here? So very simple connections. That's it. Once if you do it, you can do some programming. Let's go look into the code. Click on the code editor. You should be able to go here. I'm just making it big so I can explain this. Let me scroll this up. When you use Servo, you need to use a library called Servo library, that is built in. So you got to include that library, which is a hashtag include space. That is the command. So that means that you included that library. Once if you include the library, you should be able to get an instance of a servo. So here, that's how the command and the syntax. So in this case, I created something called my servo. And also, I'm using the pin number 9, so that's my servo pin, correct? So that's the variable definition, servo pin 9. In my setup, I have my servo dot attached servo pin, so that's how I'm attaching that particular pin to my servo. Serial dot begin 9600. You can ignore for now. I'm not using this in my code at the moment. Then in your loop, which is going to be the routine that runs over and over, right? So in this case, I'm doing moving forward and moving backward. So what I'm doing, I'm just incrementing the angle from 0 degrees in the increments of 45 degrees up to 180 degree. So my servo dot right 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 135 degrees, 180 degrees. For each move, I'm using a delay for 1 second. So for commands, you're just writing the angle. That way the motor will set the angle, it will move to that particular angle position. Same thing, I'm moving backward. I'm just reversing it back, right? 135, 90, 45, and 0. That's the coding. Let's see how it works. Let's go back here. Let me make it a little big so we can see the movement, right? You know how to do it, right? You can click anywhere and you can just scroll up, scroll down so that you can adjust the view. Start simulation. Okay, it's moving 45, 90, 135, 180, coming back, coming back, coming back, coming back. 45, 90, 135, 180, 135, 90, 45, 0. Right? Very simple. I want you guys to try this. And also you can use your Arduino microcontroller if you have, and if you have the servo motor, you can do the physical connections to make it working, and you can use your Arduino IDE to do the programming as well as then upload and try it. I hope this helps. Try it out. If you really want to stretch your exercise and challenge, what I will ask you, Bring in couple of LEDs here. Choose your own favorite colors. But I'm asking you to bring four LEDs. Put it over here and use four unused digital I/O pins. And when it moves to 0 degree, pick a color and make it lit. 45 degree, make it make another LED. Make it glow. So see if we can add those challenge. So whenever it moves to a specific angle, the respective LED will glow. Try this and good luck. Thank you. You can try this at home, and if everything is perfect, then you can make the physical connections to work. Good luck, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.